This is a review of the Zulay Lemon Lime Squeezer that I would highly recommend. This is pretty much a lemon lime squeezer, so anytime if you're trying to squeeze your lemons, you could do that too. It's a two-in-one setup. So you can see there's a green and then a yellow. The green is to squeeze lime, the yellow is to squeeze the lemon. So you have two options and two-in-one. So basically you're doing two things at once. So it's like two-in-one that it comes with this product itself. And what I love about the lemon lime is that the quality is really amazing. I love how the yellow finish it has is really like durable. It has a good weight on it. The quality is really amazing. The craftsmanship is also amazing as well too. Pretty much if you want to squeeze lemons, you could do it that way too. It has two-in-one like I mentioned. So if I put this on right here, you can have it this mode too to squeeze lemons as well too. If you want to squeeze lime, you could do it as that way too. I would highly recommend the Zulay Lemon Lime Squeezer, and the reason why I say so because it's in a two-in-one setup where you could do both things at once. And you could see that this is the box that it's right there in front. You could see that you could do lemon lime squeezer, so you could have the option to squeeze your lemons, or you have the option to squeeze lime as well too. So two options in one product. That is really amazing. I would highly recommend the Zulay Lemon Lime Squeezer if you are wanting to get the job done more faster and pretty much cut your lemons faster and quicker as well too, and your lime as well too. Then this is probably one of the best products.